value our team gets from Claravine is the detailed reporting that we're able to get from it and the insights and actions and next steps we're able to provide the team. Before using Claravine, we had a lot of user error. Each team member had their own Excel document that they maintained themselves to then create their campaign codes. There was no consistency between teams. There was a lot of user error, like misspelling words or not using the right landing page or forgetting to input something into our campaign code. So it was really difficult from a data perspective and analyzing on those campaign codes because there was nothing that we could do to roll up to a specific campaign. We ended up selecting Claravine. The price point was in Wyndham's budget, and we were able to get the tool that we knew deep down that our teams would be excited to use and they would be willing to adopt the new function a lot easier than some of the other tools we were looking at, again, because the ease of the tool is just so easy to comprehend. It really doesn't take a rocket scientist to use the tool, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for something that our teams can use and not have to question their skills using the tool. We have 10 external teams using the tool from all of our last touch channels. We have our internal on-site merchandising team using it. We also have all of our external media vendors using the tool. So we have a lot of cross-functional team members using it. I never would have thought I would see this day of having the cohesiveness amongst our campaigns across channels, across all the functions that we have. We're now able to look at a holistic campaign. How did the summer promo in 2024 do? Where back in 2019, that was not an option for us. So we can look at it high level and then get down to the nitty gritty of how did the email channel do versus the paid search channel? What did the revenue drive from each one? Also then going even further down to the specific placement within an email or a specific placement on Google or wherever else we're having those placements out there. And by having all the additional metadata that we're now able to add into Claravine, we're getting down to the nitty gritty of what team member made what specific campaign to try to figure out if there was an issue or if something didn't look right in the data, like what was happening. So we're able to triage a lot quicker, and we're also able to give more of that holistic reporting that our C-suite executives are looking for around what promos are worth doing, which promos might not be worth doing in the future, and how are promotion-related campaigns performing compared to the PR campaigns, brand awareness, the marketing dashboards that we have, and the data we're able to get from our Claravine metadata has just allowed everyone to be more data-focused with far as campaigns go and really try to give that best next step of what our customers are looking for. Using Claravine, we're able to get reporting in as easily as 30 seconds by clicking and dragging our campaign metadata onto a free-form table in Adobe Analytics. And at a high level, we can look at what the revenue to a specific campaign name is, literally in 30 seconds or less. We're also able to provide detailed campaign-related dashboards with looking at all the metadata across all channels to distribute to all team members that have now real-time data that we can get 20 minutes after the hour has closed. I would 100% recommend Claravine to our peers because of the ease of the tool and the value you get out of it. We saw instant value as soon as we implemented it, and it's only continued to grow as we continue to partner with Claravine. With this automatic reprocessing, it's brought a whole new extra value that we didn't have when we first joined, and it just continues to grow from year to year. So I would recommend it to anyone who needs to clean up their campaign-related data.